was like, oh yeah, Brian does. What you do, man?
I don't. I went to flip this.
Bruh.
I can't be trusted with this thing.
A little premature, don't you think? Didn't even get one tug.
All right, so we're back. It's the next morning. Got the instructions pulled up. The tank aired out nicely. I got the AC running because it is humid outside and it's warm too. So got the instructions pulled up. We got the can out. It's just sitting here. Got the whole sauce set. It's ready to go. So we're gonna be hopping on into this. Here, I'll put the GoPro on and go from there. But so yeah, we're gonna start with running the wires and everything, the harness back from the box. We'll get that all the way back to where we're going. I believe we're gonna end up somewhere up in that wheel well area right there. And then we'll get that all situated, we'll get the mounting brackets in, and then after that I believe we have to do a bunch of cutting and drilling and holes and plastic trimming on the cap. And once we get that done, then I believe we mount everything in the tank and we get the tank back up and in. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to the GoPro and we'll go from there. All right, we are now to the point that I'm the most concerned about, most scared about. It's time to drill holes in the sending unit. So the instructions say to put a 7/8 hole saw through this right here. So that's what I'm gonna do. Whoa! Whoa! God damn it, stop everything. Alright, so that was the centerpiece that fell out. And get all the way through. Okay. Probably take that hose off would make this a lot easier, huh? Oh, but why would I make things easy on myself? Alright, so now... Oh, God, that sending unit is going to get broken before this is done, I swear to God. Alright, so I need to clean up all of that. And clean up all of this on the top. Which is going to require the use of a Dremel. Okay. And from there, we get this bad boy. Which is actually a very nice billet piece. Make sure everything fits. It's snug like it should be. And then they said use some red Loctite. All right. Good and tight. Looks like a good fit. Everything seems to be happy. Nope, it doesn't actually show me where the hole goes. Let's hold it up. Okay. Please don't anything bend and break. Looks fine there. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. So that's why we're doing this. That is a ton of shit, and that's all come back from the motor. Because the only thing that dumps into here is the return. Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, that's terrible. That is not what you want to see. Looks like some rust and organic. Almost. Oh, it'll be a Christmas miracle if this fucking fuel sender works again when I'm done with it. Okay, so I have no idea what the hell that goes to. Looks like it just goes to a literal piece of plastic.
Nice and easy, buddy. Said easy.
Dude, you saw me doing it. Was I going hard? Jesus Christ.
I think the plastic deteriorated. In. See? Done.
Listen, your butthole along with mine puckered when it jumped the first time too.
That's because you almost took my fingers off. Second, I will hold it away from.
That's the thing, you gotta get it hot and then get it on there. I don't know how the fuck we're gonna do this, because it's just gonna wanna...
That's hot.
Yeah, I don't know how to do this in a way that's...
Is it warm enough yet?
I guarantee it's not.
Maybe it is.
Oh, wow, hopefully that made a difference.
Bingo.
Well, that was...
Don't tell me a hose clamp got it going at now that's not take apartable.
Well, seeing as how you just said it yourself, it's not take apartable, I'm gonna go with no.
Let's double check. 16, 7/16.
What are we at?
Like 5/16.
So...
I said a half an inch.
Well, that'll just... Well, so it's 7/16, right? That puts it 2/16 from the bottom.
Yeah, 1/8.
That's... I'm good with
That's
that.
fine. Oh, okay.
That's because...
What the fuck was the half inch?
I guess to allow for fuck up.
Maybe the inside of here.
Yeah, plus...
Okay.
So that plus... Because this is a little bit off, but not much.
Yeah.
I mean, before we go any... Well, fuck. Let's finish this, and we can just put it on. There it goes. So yeah, what this does is provide freaking... Yeah, it lifts the fuel from here to the pump. Because what can happen and what the problem ends up being is if that pump up at the top runs dry, it fucks up the pump, and that's what makes the things go bad, like what Wayne thought happened to his truck.
Oh, metal shit.
Yeah. All right. It's coming out down at that other deal right there. Do me a favor. Mm-hmm. Do it in the other part. No. No.
In here?
Yeah. All right. I don't feel like that's doing. Do it in the other hole.
This one?
No.
This one?
Yeah. All right. Again. All right. Okay.
More?
No, just letting it. That's getting the WD-40 all up into it. I don't know why it fucking says that, but. Yeah, I guess. Look, I don't know. It definitely said this one, but that just comes out and goes straight here. You know what I mean?
Well, if it can go on this side, I guess it can go on that side too, right?
Yeah, it
What are all
does.
these red things? You got to put shit in that?
That's for a heater tube. If you want to run a heater line, you run your coolant back to here, and it heats this block. If we were somewhere cold and we didn't want the fuel to freeze, but we're
So
never
like
going there.
Antarctica?
Yeah. And what are the chances you kept it the same size? That's some douche canoe shit right there. See, it's little things like that. If you would keep it the same size, so when I go to pull my bed, for whatever reason I pull my bed down the road, I don't have to go get new bolts or, get 2 sockets or something, you know what I mean? Just saying. These are little things that I like. People that do things right. Or not right, but that way. Whatever. I don't know. Whatever. Alright, so now these... Okay, it can't go like that apparently. That's cute. I hope it can go through these. Okay, it can. Rubber. Right there by hand. There you go.
These are the bolts for nothing.
Oh, fuck.
Ain't know how to feel, dude.
Okay. Can you hold those?
Motherfucker.
What'd you do?
My head on the fucking thing in the boots it.
The what? The motherfucker? Alright, you're good.
The fucking
Here, go put some nuts on
that
this.
thing.
The lift?
Yeah.
Why would you do that?
Because apparently it was in my fucking way, Brian.
That's a terrible idea. Alright, spin it. Is it hard? There you go. Spin it with your thumb.
Spinning the other way.
Mother of Christ. Okay. Alright. And we don't have to worry about oil on that, apparently?
I put oil on it.
No, I mean on the little O-ring we just put in there.
Didn't say it. It just showed the picture on those.
Alright. Oh, fuck, I don't know, man.
Did you already connect the harness?
Yes.
Hand tighten only, Brian.
What am I using right now?
Fucking bear grip. You're shaking the whole truck. Be really close.
Okay, so you gotta go up with you got the kicker. Actually.
You gotta tighten that, Brian. Call. Somebody had a brilliant idea of getting you one of these.
You guys come in
Awesome person.
pretty handy. Alright, go up.
That's a little kitty. My legs tired. Where's the filler thing? You gotta connect that first.
No.
Whoa.
Although it'll be a lot. No.
Did you look at that?
What?
Your filler tube runs right into where that pump is.
It's right. It'll run around it. Don't worry.
Okay. All right. Ready to go up more?
Yeah, it goes up a bunch. Actually, I'm gonna have to hand over a bunch of things in a second here.
Goddamn wind tunnel up under here. You just in my face.
Rona never killed you.
I'm all rusted, Daddy.
Don't ever call me daddy again.
You liked it.
Here.
I got it in my mouth.
Perfect. Alright. Let's put a little kink on it. At its current angle, when it was straight up, so I put a little turn in it. That'll be fun. Alright.
That's a pretty blue.
Metallic.
Oil it.
No, I didn't have to. Well, fuck it. Looks like it's good enough on there, huh?
Why wouldn't they put boost pumps in?
Because they say these are good for up to 300 psi.
It's on there.
Yeah. It's definitely on there. Alright, can you grab me a zip tie? There should be one sitting right there.
And next time you have Joe's truck up in the air, put zip ties on his drive shaft.
He'll probably notice that.
Ding, 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 ding.
Ow. Got the camera. Alright, so we're gonna bring it down, we're gonna fill it up with diesel, which you guys don't need to watch. And I don't really want to do. And then we'll catch you guys when we go try and start it. I don't even hear it.
Start that mode.
I'm gonna run it one more time. It said run it for 15 seconds.
Let me know when you turn it. Okay, guess what?
What? Doesn't sound like it's making any weird noises. Let's see if it'll start.
See if you got the shaky in the gas gauge. You gotta check for leaks. It's not focusing back there.
Yeah, well. But yeah, so yeah, it came out pretty well. I mean, I'll have to drive it a bit to tell you if it does anything. But I mean, I know what it's doing is it's going to be filtering the fuel better. And now, when I change filters, it's easy to change the filter that is back there than it is to change the filter that is... Yeah, it's in there. You got to take that wheel off, that wheel well off. So when it's time for that one to get changed, it's getting the delete.
How often you gotta change that?
Well, I'm over 32,000 miles and it hasn't been changed yet, so.
The one you just put on.
Oh, those? I don't know, I'd have to look at that. I mean, I don't know. But like I said, the one on here is over 30,000 miles. I want to say it's like 1,000 miles. Because it has the truck tells me when it's time to change it. But yeah, I'll have to mention it sometime in one of the next videos that we do in the move or something like that when I get an idea of how it tows and if it makes any real difference. But appreciate you guys checking in and watching us struggle through that. I know some... Okay. But, alright, appreciate you guys. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We'll check you out on the next one.